Hey guys, Levi Gates for the Rag Company. With me, Mr. Yvan Lacroix of Optimum Polymer Technologies.
How are you doing?
Brother. How you doing?
Great.
Well, Yvan has shown up. We always love it when he comes by and hangs out with us and drops some knowledge bombs and lets us play with some new products. And one of them is right here.
Clear Coat Restore. So Clear Coat Restore is, just as the name says, it's to restore clear coat. Okay. And we have this beautiful Saturn here.
Yep.
Yeah.
Perfect. It's the perfect candidate to play with.
Yeah. So the bumper has a lot of road rash. It's aged. It's pitted. No matter how we polish it, it still wouldn't look good.
Yeah.
So this is what we're going to be using the Clear Coat Restore for.
Okay.
If your paint, your clear coat is gone, no. If your clear coat is checked, no. When you get it wet,
it's not going to replace truly damaged clear coat.
No.
But it is going to help fill some of these lighter road rash things that maybe you couldn't quite polish out, but if it just had that little more depth, it'd be perfect.
Right. So if your car looks great when it's wet, then this is what this will fix. Yeah, exactly. So when you're preparing it with Optimum Paint Prep, if it looks good with that, that is the result you're going to get with this.
Okay.
While it's wet with the paint prep, this is the result.
And as you can see, we have our gloves on, we have our glasses on, and we have our respirators. That is a big thing to have. Make sure you have that personal safety equipment so that you can apply the product.
Yeah.
And we're going to be using a pearl weave towel. 4 towels will come in the kit.
Normally they're a grayish color, but just so you have a better visual here, we're using a green one.
Yep.
And when we're putting our mask on, from there we'll be doing a voiceover in the editing because you don't hear us too well with these masks on.
Yeah, it kind of doesn't sound all that great when you put them on there. So, well, I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm excited to try it out, check it out. Let's get going.
Yeah.
First, we apply it to our pearl weave applicator. We need to make sure there is enough on the towel to allow the product to self-level, but not so much that we leave runs and drips. This may take practice to get right. As you can see, we start with the edges first, using the same linear direction to wipe the panel. If you do get a run, just wipe it up and keep going. Feel free to tape edges if needed, especially in tight areas like headlights and grills. If it starts to streak, add more product to the applicator and it will self-level. This bumper is hammered, but will benefit from the Clear Coat Restore and is a perfect test subject. Finally, you can go around and touch up any areas you might have missed.
So once you've done it, put the cap back on and put it in the fridge or the freezer. It'll stop the reaction.
Okay.
Your applicator, it's disposable. Do not throw it in the garbage. You want to open it up, let it air dry till it's hard and dry.
Okay.
Then you can dispose of it. But you don't want to ball it up and throw it in the garbage. It does create heat.
Okay. So good rule of thumb, make sure you lay the towel, the applicator towel out nice and flat on a flat surface. Maybe you have pallets laying around your shop, maybe just set it on a pallet or something that
and if you can put it outside, even better.
Yep,
because it does put off a bit of an odor.
There you go. Not make your shop smell, because you had these on, so why put them in the shop and let everybody get get the fumes?
Yep.
So awesome. So we're basically going to let this sit. And what's our cure time?
Okay, 5 minutes, it's actually dry to the touch.
Okay.
4 hours, it can go out in the rain.
Awesome.
24 hours, you can put Optimum Car Wax OptiSeal on it. 48 hours, you can put a coating on it.
Awesome. And what you guys didn't notice is we didn't buff this. It's pretty rough already.
Yeah.
Most is just to show you, but you could technically correct the surface as best as possible, but then you do need to have some abrasion on it. So it doesn't have to be too perfect.
No, you actually don't want to polish it.
Yeah.
The proper preparation procedure is, first of all, decontaminate it. So you'll want to clay it, you'll want to clean it with Power Clean and Ferrex.
Yep.
Following that, hyper compound and a wool pad.
And that'll get a nice, clean surface, prepped surface with some abrasive properties. So that way, there's something for this to sit on. You got to remember, you want it to hang on to the surface. So.
And then from there, it actually chemically bonds itself to the clear, and it's there for life.
And if you've done it, you can pull it out, park it outside within about an hour.
Yep.
And just park it out in the sun.
If it's not raining, you can put it out actually in 5 minutes. But if there's chance of rain or someone throwing a hose on it, 4 hours.
Yeah. So awesome, man. I'm excited. This thing, I think, is going to revolutionize the industry to be able to have a one-part product.
Definitely.
That literally you don't have to mix a bunch of things together. You can just crack the can, put it on the surface, and it works wonderfully.
Yeah.
So I'm excited. Thank you, Ivan.
Thank you, Levi.
You guys can check this stuff out at opticoat.com.
Or even better, theragcompany.com.
You can actually buy it at theragcompany.com. And make sure you guys check out Yvan on Instagram and Facebook. You can email him at Yvan at opticoat.com.
Yes.
Yvan with a Y. And make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and comment on this video below. And for more videos, stay tuned right here, the Rag Company YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.